What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog.
Pretty awesome.
And right now, people, we are at Don Mills and Sheppard. So you can say Forest Manor Road. And what is this? Yeah, but you can see we're there, the art of Don Mills and Sheppard. And around here, some people, the entire Don Mills and Sheppard area used to be like one of them significant hoods there back in the days. But right now, everybody can see we're at the Parkway Forest Community Center. So any people back in the days know about how grimy this place used to be. Now you can check it out because I'm going to show you what they did to the community. And yeah, this is not a bad place no more. It's more of an upscale community, just like what they're doing with the Regent Park downtown and the Alexandra Park. And right now, the same thing they're gonna be doing to Jane and Finch right now too, and all of the other rest of the gangsterish bodies place them in Canada or in Toronto. But Toronto been picking up a lot of steam lately with a lot of violence been going on. Almost every day somebody gets shot on YouTube. If you can check it out, the latest one was that someone got shot 3 times, or 3 people got shot. But we're not here to come and talk about that at the end of the day. We're just here to show you how different this hood is, and it's not a hood anymore. So I'm gonna take my time and walk out all of it, go all the way over to Don Mills and show you guys the difference of how the place gentrification they call it, and change it up, you know what I mean? So change up what used to be a bad place and turn it into a decent upscale community now that everybody wants to come and live. And then now you have to pay this high price to live there. Remember, sometime you never used to want to live there, like our Markham and Eglinton. When they finish, take down a couple of those buildings over there, you know, and then gentrify it. People that pay what, 2,000 for 1 3-bedroom. No, you can't even pay for your 3-bedroom over there no more or anything like that, because them are gonna gentrify it just like how them do around here. So anybody who used to know about Don Mills and Don Mills and Sheppard, and you can just post below, you understand, because right now you can't call this place a hood anymore. You can't say this place is a gangster's place anymore. You can't say nothing about this place anymore. But everything changed up right now. Everything is like top-notch quality. Look at this terrace out here. Like, you can't even just do your barbecue out here, bro. Look at this nice little terrace right here. People, I'm trying to do something like this for my upstairs on the balcony. Let me know what you guys think. But this would be fine too, you know. Let me know what you guys think. Get one of these, you know. Also, just add a couple of these type of chairs. People, again, wait till the end of summertime for buy up all of them stuff here. Just save up a good $1,000, $2,000. If you know you gotta send off stuff to Jamaica. But yeah, people, we're gonna go walk through this block out and show you the new Don Mills and Sheppard that used to be a hood, but not anymore. Yeah, you can come out here and vibe out, like just play your music and enjoy. Like, them are gonna do all of them things around the place. I wish someone, just like how them are gonna do downtown Kingston, you know. They're gonna I don't see nothing yet to go out my downtown. You see what them start do to Spanish Town already? Okay. Remember, you know, a lot of people don't want to live in the Spanish Town district, you know. And as soon as the murder rate gone down and they clear out them place there, you're gonna see them start lick down a couple of them old house there. Couple of the people them house them soon start to get fire bombs, and all of them things they're gonna start happening down a town and in a Spanish Town. I'll probably in the Linstead downtown. Linstead to go feel the pain too. Yeah, because they must try to clear out all the old ways of how people used to live, and the thief in light type of business, the thief in water type of business, and all of them stuff there, you know. the more upclass community, the more, again, it's a controlling type of vibe that you see. But then now I can get it all out at the end of the day. If anybody remember 65 Forest Manor, this is the building here, right, just so. If anybody remember where them used to come from, you know. But this is how they gentrificate the projects them. Just like in America, some areas, them just tear down the buildings them and put up new condos and kick out the people them from around here, so and boom. Just like how them are the uptown right now. Look at them couldn't take off all of the gully side because you know say them would have taken down the entire cassava piece. The entire gully side would have gone, but it's too hard for them to do it. But when I think it's a very too hard because of that a little one ghetto. Alright, they so just mess up a lot of things for the uptown people, me that call them, the upscale people them. You understand? So the gully side after gone, and the spot Josh come from to make a cassava piece that I can't remember what the part the name. But it's right up in the half a tree too. Spot boom boom always keep them boom Mondays or boom Sundays. One of them there. One of them places, so when them ready to take out all of them people left from all two last ghetto left up there, you know. The gully side, Manningsville Road. Alright, there so. And you have cassava piece or whatever, I can't remember the name. But if they get rid of them two places there, half a tree go on straight, you know. But where the people more live, a whole heap of people have them big oh wow, look how them do around here, so like a pride that come on, so how them are going around here, so. But I'm gonna go over to the mall side too, people, and walk and show them the whole of them what them are do to the place right now, because everything different. And like I say, you would have never tell back in the days. Say I saw around and said, ah, look. Yeah, 76. So could I never tell, but I've asked some people probably history. What going on around here, we're in them place here. Cause back in the days I think of 010, 011. You used to forward around here, but not around this side, you used to forward down on the more ghetto side. My brother them used to live. DJ iPods. Used to afraid around them area they come and say, oh, right, that's a bad, you know, Jay. What you do at them building here right now? I say, yeah. My next brother always go around there. You know? Know a couple girls that live around there too. They must say, yo, and them place are bad, you know. Enough of the around here, so, you know. That's in Sheppard. And a place to talk about, I think. And I say, yeah. It's like some pride parade coloration things are going. I'm gonna try to get set up for the Pride weekend. I don't know if I go downtown go do no Pride video, you know. I'll show you. But at the end of the day, we have only for people who watch content. But I don't know if my audience are going me go downtown the weekend just to show off the Pride concert or the Pride weekend thing. But you just know say Canada life that yeah, man. And yeah, you just go mix with nobody and that are cool. But yeah, this is the Don Mills and Sheppard area. I'm gonna walk up over the Don Mills and Sheppard. Probably go over to the mall area, but we did Fairview Mall already. We're just gonna be doing the outside skirt. We're gonna pass the mall and go over to the other side of Don Mills and Sheppard. Let's try to show you how them change up the entire place and the community for people who haven't been here in a long time. And again, my people, I do these videos for people who leave the area and get deported or get banned from the area or the vibes and stuff like that, you understand? So this video is for them. Alright, my people. So this is outside right now. We're at the Don Mills and Sheppard area. Them also have a rich mall down the side, you know, if you want, you guys. If you don't want to shop at Don Mills to my people, You just let me know. I'll go over by shop at Don Mills also and do a next walkthrough. I did a walkthrough the first time used to do vlogging, but right now we're just showing all of the different places. And people, don't worry, the boy will be getting a lineup and a haircut and thing like that very soon. But sometimes I just like to look crusty on the camera. Show you. We'll probably just do a walkthrough inside the mall area too, just to show you guys what I'm going on. We just do one walkthrough if we go straight over to the other side of the city, the other side of Sheppard and Don's Mill area, so you can see what it look, you know. But yeah, don't mind my little gritty up face right now. But we're at the Don Mills and Sheppard, and now we're at Fairview Mall. I don't know if they're gonna upgrade this mall some more, but look how them make over here look now. The building is always there from a day, you know, but all of the other one them just add up, add a lot more. Let's see what's new in the mall. And then if I lift up this mall some more also. We're there in front of me another stop car, you know, man. So lucky COVID time done. I'm gonna customer want to see charger. Oh yeah, my people, again my people, thanks to everybody who've been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. You know, say, and every day we can come on here and do house videos. And yeah, people, please look out for the new videos coming out, also named Pain, the series dropping on this channel. Alright, we're just gonna finalizing all the details for that channel, for that page, for that series to come out. But you know, say a lot of equipment involved in the series there, so I'm just waiting to get a couple more stuff, and then we're gonna kick it off for next week. Probably gonna shoot them in batch mode, but I just don't want to interview anybody, or just say it's just artists alone. It's gonna be dedicated to those people in real life who go through the struggle and pain. Anybody at all, we just can go talk to. You understand? So now, people, this is now the new entrance of the mall. This is Fairview Mall. We did it already, so we're not really gonna be staying too long in the mall. We're just gonna do one full straight walk out to go outside. But like, look like the Asian people, them capture this side of the mall. Be Asian people now. Back in the days, there used to be a lot of, I think this used to be a Hudson Bay, or if it's not a Hudson Bay, it used to be a bay, one of them big box store there. But right now, the Chinese then capture this, or Korean, or India, whatever them want name, I don't know. But I think of Japanese and Chinese or Korean. They look Korean to me. Probably not Korean, you know. But I feel them businesses are going all over here. So supermarkets, food place, and everything back in the days. And I have none of them back in the days. When I come over here, saying with people, I used to love to come to Fairview Mall, because they have a movie theater here, so. And then now, you don't have a couple of the more upsclass, prettier girl them compared to Scarborough Town. Yeah, we're not gonna lie, that's what we used to say. You see it with people. Now I'm nothing to lie about, you know. You don't have a one, two more prettier girl over them side here. Because every day we are there Scarborough, so when we come out of the Scarborough era, we're up on North York. But now, everything just different now, you see it. And again, my people, we do a lot of videos for home videos, mall videos, park videos, showing the different parts of Toronto and stuff like that. So now it's just me showing the different parts. And people, if you want, I'm showing you some more of the gentrification program that's going on in Toronto. And I know I'm showing you like some different ghettos that used to be like serious ghettos, but now it's not even named as a ghetto no more, or a hood, or somebody could say, yo, this used to be bad. No, let me know. I'll head over there and get some nice content also. Because remember, my people, this page is 416 to 876 Jamaica, and then at times we do a lot of traveling videos around the world. But for right now, we're back stuck in Toronto, Canada for now until we can make our next move again. So please make sure you like and share up the content, my people, please. And every day I'm going to sit down and talk about move back to Jamaica, house videos and stuff like that. I have to do the Canadian parts too, and that's showing you guys the places. People them some of us change up my local swagging for go out a party, you know. You need to buy a white Air Force, so they're in the mall today. We're gonna check it out. You know what I mean? So yeah. So this is how the mall looks. Hopefully them extend this mall. And look how small this mall is compared to Woodbine Square, Woodbine Mall that I just did. You can see the difference, you know. Champ Sports. I need to go in here for so much Air Force, you know. Okay, I need a white Air Force. I want to see the prices for one. But I would need $150 for them, you know, my people. $150. Let's see the plain white one if it's the same price. Yeah, my people, $150. I want for them. That's a code. So, no, I get no sale upon them, you know, my people. See, $150. I want for them. I need to get one still, but Father God bless you with some money. We'll come back here, man. But we need one for the weekend. Yeah, but a lot of different places open up here, and like I said, we used to always come to this mall just to vibe out right after school when I have nothing better to do. You know, so I just the same bus fare I take you come from school, come straight to Scarborough Town Centre, take the next bus from Town Centre, come straight over here. So one straight express here I take come out them place, you know. I need to start the box some bikini photo shoots too, you know. But yeah, so we gotta go home. On the Foot Locker, yeah, cause this Foot Locker been here for decades, you know, my people. Decades the Foot Locker there. So I'm gonna go in there and see if them have it on sale, because I know so one of them I check online say them have it on sale. So let's go and check. They have, yeah, we got, oh, that's kids over there. Do you guys have the white Air Forces on sale or no? Regular price? So it's still the regular price, $150. And every time, because them shoes I know people, everybody will know about Air Force. Them just easy to forget the wrinkles and dirty up right away, so then things are just make you just don't want to buy them no more. But we need one second, what peeps. Yeah, so now Freedom Mobile wasn't here. The hell they're paying $159 for? Oh, $159 for the year. That's not a bad plan, 25, but 25 gigabyte. How kind of people are gonna talk about that? Well, yes, my people, all of the pretty girls usually be at this mall or work at the McDonald's right here back in the days. So, you know, we always just pull up over here. So, I'm just going on nice to walk through of what they are. Bourbon Grill. Bourbon Grill's a night, like I think a Filipino them own it or something like that. If somebody can probably just correct me, you know. But just going on nice to walk over here of the entire district. And you know what, people? I'm going to start do this, you know, because I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to do the entire Cedar district just like this also. And the Morningside district. So I'm going to do the main intersection them district. So let me know if you know go enjoy those type of content. And if they have a mall in that area, we do the mall too also. But the famous intersection them. Well, go around now and do them like McCowan. Oh, in McCowan and Finch area. You have Kennedy and Ellesmere area. So we're gonna start going around and just do the areas also for all of the people who miss the area them. And we can talk about a lot of the different area them. And I get my people, them will do a lot of these stuff in Jamaica too at the end of the day. So I just watch out to see how Montego Bay, some part of Kingston, Spanish Town is changing up right now. Like a lot of the places when the new KPH hospital, the new, like a whole heap of things that go on with people. A lot of things that go on. So just go on, stay tuned to see what really go on. But people, music are playing at the store, yeah? So I'm gonna come back to you when I'm outside to do the next side of the city. Alright? So yeah, my people, so now this is the upstairs side of Fairview Mall. Like again, people, we're just hurrying up and doing a vlog straight through the mall, cause this one is not a mall tour video. We did this mall a lot already, like 2 times now. So this is just the update. Wait, I think JD Sports have the shoes on sale, you know. I think I saw it online. But yeah, this is upstairs the mall, and the Apple store is right next to it. They've been having this Apple store. They never brought one to Scarborough Town Center. All know. But JD Sports is more like a Foot Locker and a Champs in one. So let's go see if they have the shoes on sale. The famous Fairview Apple store. Again, everybody always there around here. Or if we're not around this side, we're around the movie theater side. Let's see if we could up on over to the movie theater side. Everybody normally hangs out at when we're at this mall back in the days. And again, my people, like I said, it's a nice mall, but it's small. But if Spanish Town, if them lit down ILO, that's all lit down ILO, and build up a nice proper mall like this, update all the stuff there, that would be a nice little more entertainment for tourists too, if we want to come and shop at the mall where them know for them safe and stuff like that too also. So that's a lit down ILO. Same in the half a tree mall now. You need to just get rid of the place, you know. You don't have no proper food place in there for go eat or anything like that. So it just don't make no sense if you continue the upkeep after that mall. Just look it down now, man. Make some nice mall, some nice movie theater, invest back. Even look at this Palladium. Never been to here. People might get copyrights and probably not hear me. So I'm not gonna really go in there too much. Hopefully. And you can still hear me. But I never been here still. So I'm just showing you guys how this place looks. I'm trying to talk over the music so you can hear me. Look at them have a lot. 3D games. A lot of different gamings and stuff like that. So let them change up the movie theater experience and the vibe. Yeah, cause they never had this before. It's the first time. That's like good for a walk, you know? And go drive around just to show the vibe. So now this is more of a game central part of the movie theater. What's this around here? Like some 3D type of vibe. Party room. What's this around here? It's like bowling. Maybe have a little bowling vibe around here going on. It's a nice little area where people can come chill at then. Like check it out. This is an extension, you can see. I have 2 people just sit down. But look like it's a good vibe. You can even just come and bowl. Come bowling over here. That would be cool. Have your couple of friends and just stay here and vibe with them. And enjoy. They have different party rooms you can buy. Book out and all them stuff there. But yeah, this is something different to add. Hopefully you not like the video them and my people. Not enjoy the content, you know. Like we say, we are gonna do a lot of these videos. We'll probably do a lot of downtown ones also. Just go downtown for the day. But look at that. Escalator for go upstairs. Always have escalator for go up there, right? Can't remember. But we're going back outside right now. There's no movie out that I want to watch. Unless somebody try to bring me up on a movie date. Yeah, man. Can't pay me if you go on a movie, you know. But enjoy your movie. I don't know what movie, because I don't like ghost movies. I don't like horror. But now let's go back outside. Show you more. I thought the place get more even gentrified. Because I remember one time you're afraid to go over this side of the mall, you know. And we're gonna head over there right now. We're gonna go walk it out. We're gonna walk out the hood. There used to be a hood. But yeah, you can see how it is over here now. All of the things that them add. And again, if Jamaica adds a couple of these malls around the areas, I definitely tell you, so the crime rate would go down even more and more and more for people like we who want to invest back in the community them. And I tell you, them no want nobody to invest in these community where pack down and stuff like that. Them want get in a new housing them and stuff like that. Them rather lick down everything. All the place are grand spend. Yeah, grand spend. Them would rather lick down everything over grand spend and build up new communities and put the people them over there to go live. Yeah, man. Rather than have them old type of housing and board houses and they don't try to get to all of them things there. They would rather tear down the whole of God's stone with it right now, more people. So we're gonna check out this area and we'll probably just walk back around on the street down back on Don Mills and go back to a car. But over here, so now people used to be a very, very bad vibes too. Yeah, man. We're there at the mall. A couple bad boys used to come over from over here, so over the mall come disturb us. But now you can see that now gonna happen again. But still have a one two negative mind people, you know, but not like how it was. I don't know why that guy is speeding and it's a red light. But yeah, you can just see how them change up everything. And again, people can comment below who know about the area more than I do. We used to just come to the mall probably about 1 or 2 times. We usually just step over here, so but let me say there are 1 and 2 bad boys will live over here, so you never want to interfere or come over them side here. But right now, them days they change. Things change up fast. Probably just go around and walk around and see how is the vibe is around here. See, all of them. Imagine if Jamaica get some nice little communities like this. And they're having them now too still. I'm not gonna say them not have them. But imagine if they get a couple more well off like this. You know, so then kids can come out and not play without. Them have to look over them head, say somebody over there, so I go shoot them or drive by, you go happen or see the big camera them have in them place there. Just to show you. And in them place that used to be really, 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 really bad. When you dance and music I play. Blessings, blessings. You know? So you can see how them change it all up right now. Back in the days, yeah, you see, man, I know how to play them domino and all of them stuff there. To show you the place change up, man, them outside still on the block. Blessings, blessings, blessings. So, you can see, man, them still out here, but now, you see, I wasn't lying. You'd have a whole heap of people, youths, and honestly, used to be a really local skeptic place to be. But now, everything up on live stream media and this and that, so everything more a little bit safer and stuff like that. But the man them still on the block same way. It just look a little bit up more scale. You understand? So I just that we all walk through, you know. Family, can I ask you a question? We now put up on camera. You can tell me what the history of around used to be back in the days when the vibes. You remember now then Gentrification, you know what I mean? And back like in the days, like oh the back in the days around used to be grimy as hell. You know what I mean?
Back in the day, it was a little treacherous back here still.
Yeah.
It was a little treacherous. Back when you used to have double doors over on that
side. Can put it on camera or no?
No,
or you
no,
can
no,
just,
no.
alright, me just have it and make you just talk and show you.
But fucking, by double doors over there, yeah, it used to get treacherous, man. Before they put up all these buildings.
Yeah.
I'm not even from here, man. I put in my footwork in here, so I'm good over here, bro. Over here, back in the day, used to be a little treacherous, a little dangerous still.
But now it's done with now.
Yeah, it's done now because now the youths are growing up. Enough of people from my era, they're having kids.
Got banned and a lot of people get deported from the area and all of them stuff there.
Enough of my niggas are in jail.
You see, so all of them things and them change up the community. Look at that.
Yeah.
But then nobody used to want to live around them area, you know that, right? But look at it now. Now you can have a pay for live around here if you want to live around here now.
That building is the only one that's metro housing.
This one.
The other ones are fucking
Government condo.
Yeah, condos.
Holy. So this one is only metro house. And look how good that looks now. Remember back in the days, this name look good like that, you know.
Yeah.
But you saw them change it all up and stuff like that still. But respect, you know, my purchase. Me just walk through the place, I show them, you know, the before and then. Blessings. Alright, people. So this one again now. So now you're here for yourself, my people. Back in the days, this place used to be the place where you know come. But now everything's all changed up. Free now for just go enjoy your life, walk around, do all of this vlogging. Back in the days, afraid to even do vlog. You can't vlog nowadays, and never got a vlog like this, cause nobody don't really want to show the spot like that and this and that. You know what I mean? So now you're just freely can do anything you want to do now. I like these little backyard places. This would be nice. Mid have one too. Yeah, it'd be nice still. But yeah, people, though, I think we want to just walk out this area and walk back out and probably just end off the vlog. I mean, just don't have to make on a year say, yeah, and place I used to be up like that, you know what I mean? But now things change. Not saying you're not here 1 and 2 knockings, you know, my people. Not fully saying that, you know, but everything change up now, and I think things that can't go on again. And happy somebody could come on camera and explain. Should I get a couple of them Jamaican man too who sit down and play domino? But you know, I don't want to get too much people on the camera like that. But more and more we go through people, I will get more and more people to talk on their reaction along all these different strips and blocks, because we're gonna just do blocks now. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any more hood videos because I think we did them all. So I think we're just gonna do more of the blocks them now, like Don Mills and Sheppard, Don Mills and Eglinton type of vibe. You know what I mean? The entire area. Probably just may have a couple hours a day, a 2 hour for just walk out the area quick and fast for sure the development that's going on in the areas. You know, people have them condos, everybody knows, so everything is just a vibe now. Things just different around here. But again, I wish Jamaica just lift up more. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time, but a lot more people will be seeing more development. I want to invest because we already been seeing it, you know. So just gonna walk underneath the mall and just head out from around this side. I think this is enough for to see how the Don Mills area look too at the end of the day. I'm alright, my people. Just make sure you like up the like button. If you enjoy these type of content, just give me a subscribe, because we have a lot more videos to do. And don't worry, people, I'm gonna start put myself a lot better again and come on camera. You understand? Feeling no pain. And I say, yo, Jay, you never used to look like that. Come on now, bro. What's wrong with you? I feel your pain. Alright, my people. I won't make it happen again. Alright, but we're just gonna walk around. We walk around this side of the mall to get out. But we just try to come out of the mall area. And yeah, people, again, just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. This is Don Mills and Sheppard Gentrification project walkthrough. You can say, or used to be a hood, Don Mills and Sheppard, you know, and the whole of the area them I will just start walk through at the end of the day. Yeah, so that's gonna be the new style of content and videos we're gonna be producing. Plus we're still gonna be doing the house videos also, cause you don't know, say I always try to tell you if I go back home and teach and beat, right? So we have a lot more house content coming up also, but we're gonna do a lot of these. And again, my people, look out for the new series called Pain, dropping very, very, very soon. Pain. Alright, we're just waiting on a couple more equipment to get that series started, but for now we're gonna come out and do a couple more of these project videos. I think Saturday we have a lot. We probably have like 6 of these to do in one day, so you're gonna see a couple of those for next week for all of the downtown areas. Just gonna go walk out the entire downtown vibe and show what go on in the different areas. Go to the Regent Park area again, the Alexander Park area again, but all of it in one, you know, just all of it. We just go walk out Dundas Square. We'll do a next one again on Kensington Market, Bathurst and Young, and we just go do a whole heap of them. Showing probably our Sugarman Beach, do all of the waterfront area, Dundas Square area. Probably do a Eaton Center Mall walk through. I haven't done one of those in a long time too. So hopefully we just have the energy, because I know say a whole heap of walking we have to go do the day there. You understand? So this is the parking lot we just go walk through right now and talk, see and we until we reach back out of the front. But now I understand why we do these videos, because like again, a lot of people move out of these places and stuff like that. So hopefully this video can show back some of the people who left these places long time ago. But yeah, this is like one side of the mall entrance, but we're not going back into the mall. I want to walk around the mall, go back to my car and then head out of town. But yeah, hopefully again, my people, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. At the end of the day, we're going to continue to support these type of contents. Alright people, again 416-876 Jamaica. But I really want to show you some part over here, so that's why I'm trying to wait it out until I reach over there, because a lot of new projects went up over there also. But yeah, used to be a grimy place, man. The Hudson Bay is all closed down now. You'd have the Hudson Bay, and I think you had the Bay. I think all of them they are closed down one by one. Showing a yard deal already, my people, all them lock down the part over yard deal too. So yeah, but people, I'm catching up on the front. So yeah, my people, so this is the other side. This is like more the front side. But over there, so we don't come from home, we park up. That was the other side. So this is more the front side of the mall. That's why I'm for showing how it look. And all these buildings. And a more building them, so them are go up, you know. And you can't even afford none of them condo here no more. Not saying you can't afford it. Just saying the price range wasn't gone up for them now. And I'm back in the days price. What used to be, I used to. But yeah, that's all the mall. They have a beaches, burger factory, sports. They have everything over here now. But I'm gonna walk over to this side, show you guys. I'm just like what I'm gonna do still, but all of the places them. At the end of the day, I'm gonna make it more safer for everybody, you know. But again, from Jamaica, so I always put in my 2 cents. We see if they can switch up Jamaica just like this too. If Jamaica just be like something like this now, no more people. You don't have space for people who want to live this no more, no man. Alright, that's so the bills them gone higher and everything, you know. So remember I tell you that people, you won't have space to live in Jamaica. Alright, now we're at the Sheppard and I don't know the Parkway Forest. Yeah, so I need to go back down on Parkway. And yeah, this is how the place look around here. Over here used to be a lot of bad place and stuff like that. So all of them things are changed up now. All of them things are changed up. Check it out. So we're gonna go back now, people, and we're gonna do a lot more areas. We're not gonna do no more ghetto, we're gonna just do areas. When we're in an area, you know it's a popular area, you know. They do the entire area walk out, walk through type of vibe. Understand? Can't walk it, yeah. Only for a pretty girl out, you know. Look on the one in front of me. Jack, God. Look on the one day. Look on the one day. Jack. She needs to be the thumbnail. No, sir. But you see, people them just freely walking, living their lives right now, bro. Everybody just walk and live them life. Can out late at night time and walk the streets and don't care. No more of gun violence and this and that, but you never know, anything can happen at anywhere at the end of the day. But this is Parkway Forest and we're heading back down to the community center. So we're parked up. And yeah, and I showed you guys almost everywhere around here. You can comment below which part you want to see next. Can show you a couple more of the expensive side of Canada also, of Toronto. I should have walked over there, so now over this a lot more boomy-ish like. So we're just gonna walk through. I think I came from that side, you know. I want to walk around here, so I'll end up back around, so anyways we will make it work. So like me could daily walk and stroll, you know. So look at that, my people. So that's why you see the mall and stuff after there around them places, because there's thousands of people who live around them places right now. Thousands. Because one of them condo probably all 1,000 people living at a condo there. And the next condo just right there, so you need them development tier for go on in a place. That's why you used to have a lot of crime, because when you have so much people just living in a congested area and nothing now go on. The man them on the block are influence, you understand? So all of them look type of vibes there. So let's walk around though. As I say, a new development I could go up soon. Yeah, I could see the sign. But people might think my last, you know. Me think my last. Or I can go back around a big center. Can't probably go around a circle, man. I think that was the park I was showing. Let's walk over that side. Watch this, called Beach Groves. Walk over it, showing it, man. Oh, that's the center right there. Yeah. Yeah, see? They might make up a new condominium right there, so again. That's, so you know, so when right there's the next gone up again, no more space, now really left for no more condos. You understand? No more space I go leave. So you'll see how this place looking in the next 10-20 years from now. Anybody know about the Alka Plaza there? Plaza there right over there, so. And I think that's a good enough video for the entire area, you know what I mean? Yeah. I think we should just end off the video right over this plaza, call it a day, and walk back around, go get my car and head out. So again, my people, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to just like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of them like this now, a lot of the different areas and stuff like that. And yeah, again, just like, share, subscribe to the channel. 416-876 Jamaica. Look out for the pain series coming soon. Every day I'm telling about it and it can't come on now, but it's on its way. It's on its way. Definitely going to be a banger show when I drop it. Alright, so again, stay tuned with people. 416-876 Jamaica. Hope you enjoy this walkthrough video of the communities them now. We're just going to walk through the entire place them. That's a code.